exponential functions, equations, and inequalities. So this is our learning outcomes. At the end of the lesson, the learner is able to distinguish among exponential functions, exponential equation, and exponential inequality. Lesson outline. Number 1. Exponential function, exponential equation, and exponential inequalities. So now let's proceed. An exponential expression is an expression of the form a times b to the power x minus c plus d, where b is greater than 0 and b is not equal to 1. The definition of exponential equation, inequalities, and function are shown below. Exponential equation definition. An exponential an equation involving exponential expressions. Example: 7 raised to 2x minus x squared equals 1 over 343. So ano ang mga dapat nating tatandaan dito? So for the word equation is na makikita naman natin doon ang equal. Exponential inequality. An inequality involving exponential expression. When you say inequality, magkita natin sa ano ba ang mga inequality na sign natin diyan. Nandito ang greater than, less than, greater than and equal, less than and equal. So for example, 5 raised to 2x minus 5 raised to x plus 1 is less than equal to 0. Function. Exponential function. Function of the form f of x b is equal to b raised to x times b greater than 0 and b is not equal to 1. So for example, f of x is equal to 1.8 raised to x, or y is equal to 1.8 raised to x. So okay. An exponential equation or inequality can be solved for all x values that satisfy the equation of inequality. An exponential function expresses a relationship between two variables such as x and y, and can be represented by a table of values or a graph. Okay, I will give you more examples. Determine whether the given is an exponential function, an exponential equation, an exponential inequality, or none of these. For example, f of x is equal 5x cubed. So this is none of this. Why? Dahil ang base natin dito ay x. So 2 is greater than equal to 1 half raised to x. This is an example of exponential inequality. So next, 7 raised to 4x equal to y. This is example of exponential function dahil merong y at yung 7 raised to 4x ay example of exponential expression. 4 times 10 raised to x minus 2 is equal to 500. So this is example of exponential equation. So next, 7 is less than to 14, it raised to x to the x plus 3 is an example of exponential inequality. Y is equals to 0.5 raised to x is an example of exponential function.
So let's now proceed to lesson